Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna be doing an OWLCRATE unboxing. And I wanted to film this while I open it with you guys. It is brand spanking new and everything. So we're going to open this. Let's see if that did the thing. This thing is like overly packed. Like the top of this, I don't know if you can tell, but it's like round. I don't know what that may be. Oh, I'm gonna show you guys first. Oh, what is that? Is this a... Oh, it's a throw blanket. Oh, it's like super soft. So then, let me show it to you right here. I wonder what this is. Oh, it's a really nice size. And it says, I don't know if you can see that. Can you see that? Yeah. It says all forests are magic. Wow. And this is by Holly Black. All forests are magic. Oh, I just finished Clean Up Nothing yesterday. Okay. Oh, I love this. This is super nice. All right. Yeah. Oh, and then this is the lovely spoiler card. It looks like a wolf. Oh, it is very nice. And this month's theme is Through the Enchanted Forest. Alright. And this is a throw blanket from the Cruel Prince. And it's designed by Bookmark Tattoos. Ooh, yes! I'm so excited about that. And the next thing I see is an exclusive, OWLCRATE exclusive, created by Juniper and Ivy Designs. Comes in this nice little paper thing. What is this? I'm trying not to rip it. Oh no, I think I ripped it. Oh, is this a ornament? I think this may be an ornament. And it says, I don't know if you can see it. And it says, trees in your eyes, stars in your heart. Oh, I like that. And it's an ornament, and it has like, oh wow. So this is, based off the Raven Boys, and it is a wooden ornament. That is beautiful. Huh. I'm gonna be putting that on my tree. And then the next thing I see are stickers. Nice hollow stickers. Christmassy stickers too. That's awesome. And the stickers are made by Pips Sticks. It says it right on top. And there's like nothing on what book or anything this is about. But it seems Harry Potter-ish. It has like the owl and the unicorns and stuff. I really love this. And the next thing I see is this. I don't know what this is. Let's open it up. I like the packaging. Oh, is this a metal bookmark? It is a metal bookmark. Oh, so it's by Her Paper World. I love the color of this. It's heavy. Look, a purple tassel. And it says there was a song in this forest too, but it was a savage song, whispering of madness and tearing and rage. Naomi Novik. I'm sorry, I'm trying not to catch the glare of anything, but that is gorgeous. Ah, that is wonderful. Alright, and then the next one, we already got a sneak peek last month about it, and that was the reading planner. Oh, it's big. Whoa. Is it supposed to be like for the whole year of 2020? It's gorgeous. Look at the pages. That is awesome. That is really, really nice. So I might have to use my stickers on this. And then the back, it has a piece by Neil Gaiman. I'll put that up there so you guys can read it. And it says, I hope that in this year to come you make mistakes, because if you are making mistakes, then you are making new things, trying new things, learning, living, pushing yourselves, changing yourselves, change your world, and you are doing things you've never done before. More importantly, you're doing something. So that's my wish for you and all of us, and my wish for myself. Make new mistakes, make glorious, amazing mistakes, make mistakes nobody ever made before. Don't freeze, don't stop, don't worry that it isn't good enough or isn't perfect. Whatever it is, art or love or work or family or life, whatever it is you are scared of doing, do it. Make your mistakes next year and forever. By Neil Gaiman. That is awesome. I love this. I didn't know it was going to be this big. I thought it was going to be like just like a thin little planner. Alright, and then we have a print, and I'm guessing this is, oh yes, so it is the second book of Amber at Dusk. It's called Diamond and Dawn. I like that. That's pretty. And it says, once upon a time I dared to dream of a strange, lovely world where I belonged. That is awesome. That's beautiful. I like the colors. I'm partial to red. I just saw the book. It is beautiful. It is freaking gorgeous. I'm gonna show you the pen first. I wonder what the pen has to do about the book. It is gorgeous. This is the pen from the member book. I don't know if you can see it. That is gorgeous. And this was designed by Four Seasons and Fox. That is gorgeous. I don't know if it's that way or this way, but this box is amazing. And now the moment you guys have been waiting for. The book, which is Winterwood by Shay Earnshaw. I think that's how you said it. It has blue sprayed edges. I did not have, wait, I totally forgot. I knew it was gonna have sprayed edges, but I totally forgot. This is gorgeous. Oh my god. And then this is the reader card. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh. That is gorgeous. And then of course it's signed by the author. And of course there's a back page in here. Of course. Wow. That is amazing. Let's see what's under the dust jacket. Oh, look at it. That is so pretty. Oh, I can't wait to read this book. Oh, I'm so excited to read it. I actually don't know what this is about. In the back it says, the Walker women of Fairhaven have always lived in the woods. Some say the first Walker woman came from the forest, her bones built of roots, thorns, as she sprouted from up the ground. This is where their legacy began, a strange mythical legacy rooted in rumors and folklore. Over the years, there have been many tales of Walker women. Most have been lost, stories forgotten, fables and myths wash away with the spring rains. This story is one such tale. It was once scattered like autumn leaves, buried in the soil, stitched there until it arose, until something stirred it loose, until the first shuddered and opened its eyes. Ooh. That's gorgeous. I can't wait to read this. It's not that long. It's only... Lately, the books haven't been that long. It's only 322 pages. And let me tell you, that's a lot longer than Queen of Nothing. And then some of the pages in here are like all black. I'm excited. Hey. Kind of spoiled myself. One of the black pages said something, and like I was like, eek. I'm super excited. Look at those. This is such a beautiful book. I can't wait to read it. So again, we have Winterwood. We have the beautiful blanket inspired by The Cruel Prince and Holly Black. We have this print that is sort of an ad campaign for the sequel to Amber and Dusk. We have the amazing 2020 reading journal. We got the pin of the month. The pip stickers, which I'm guessing you want to use these with your reading planner. The lovely ornament from the Raven Boys.
Wow.
The amazing, amazing bookmark.
Wow.
Oh, and let me tell you guys. So the steel bookmark was made by Her Purple World, and it was inspired by Uprooted. I've never read that, so I wouldn't have known where the quote came from. I've heard her name before, so that's why I was like, huh? And then the planner was made by Blue Star Press, and it is a annual planner, so it is a 1-year planner. Yes, I like that. And then we have Winterwood, which is an exclusive signed edition with sprayed edges and a letter from the author. The enamel pin for the month is designed by Four Seasons Fox. And they were inspired by a description of the bone moth that follows the main character of Winterwood through the forest. Oh, but everything was amazing this time. And then we have the little booklet that has, well, I like to do the crossword puzzles in here, but this is the difference between both of them. And this is the author of the book. Then we have, of course, the crossword puzzle right there. And then if you like this book, these are some other books you can read. And it's just a little blurb of pipsticks. And then we have the photo challenge, and then it tells you when the next babble is gonna be. Oh, they have a Spotify playlist. I'm excited. Huh. This is a playlist right there if you guys want to go see it. And then, of course, the next theme card. Tales of Trickery. Ooh. And it says, every December box will contain an exclusive book sleeve designed by Chatty Nora. Yes! I've been waiting for a book sleeve. Yes! P.S. If you're already a subscriber, your account will renew. Blah, blah. But I'm super excited. I don't think that's the actual book sleeve itself, but I'm so excited. I'm so happy right now. You don't even know. But thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm gonna go squeal a little bit more about all the stuff that came in here. This is an amazing box. Plus, I'm gonna lay down and probably read with my pillow. So, I'll see you guys later. Bye!